Well, if we look at capital spending globally and capital raising, there's still a lot more money being raised for industrial and logistics. If we look at the momentum behind major global investors we've looked at, a lot of money is moving into industrial and logistics, probably twice as much as it is into retail, but actually that's behind residential and behind development. I'll come on to those 2 points a bit later. But when we look at Europe, we've seen the retail share of investment go that way, industrial gradually creeping that way. That doesn't necessarily reflect all the money that's gone into industrial and logistics, because a huge amount, billions, has been ploughed into JV development platforms with the experts. So there's more money moving into it. There's even more money moving into sort of niche parts of the industrial production part, I guess. So airside cargo logistics, cross-docking, and urban logistics, last mile logistics. The question is, does it make sense? If you look at e-retailing growth, it's diminishing. It's still growing, but it's diminishing. Total consumption, household personal consumption is growing, but it's flattening off. And if we look country by country, some countries look like they've pretty fully penetrated in terms of the amount of e-retailing that is going to happen in that market. There's still growth in quite a lot in France and Spain and some of the more peripheral European economies, but they're not all going to grow to the same rate as the Nordics or the UK or the Benelux markets. Part of that is cultural, part of it is the technological infrastructure, and part of it is because people still like to shop in shops. You know, it's about leisure, it's about entertainment, it's not just about buying goods. For retailers themselves, there's challenges around returns significantly, which is eating into profit margins. So the most successful retailers that we've looked at are Omni-channel, and the real move and the blending of the two, logistics and retail, is about Omni-channel retail and how you get that to work in different locations and different cities. And that's going to throw up a lot of interesting opportunities in how you make that work.